Hello, the wildlife pond in the wildlife corner of my garden. It's Sunday morning, I'm still in my joggers, I've not even done my hair yet. I'm going to keep it brief, this introduction, because I've got something really special to share with you. And it's some footage I took at midnight last night in the dark, down here by the wildlife pond. Now this pond is the culmination of 4 years of hard work, and it really seems to be reaching a pinnacle now, and it's inhabited by a massive wide range of different wildlife. But this place has two different distinct personalities. There's the daytime personality, where I come down here in the bright light and I look at the insects, the butterflies, the dragonflies, the damselflies, the water boatmen, and the birds bathing and washing in the pond. So that's one side of its personality. But at night time, it's a completely different place altogether. It becomes very spooky and mysterious, and you can hear rustling in the hedges and in the undergrowth around the pond. And a completely different set of creatures comes out at night. Now, I built this pond to try and attract frogs, toads and newts. And it was always my dream to have newts in my garden, and my dream has come true, as you are about to see. So as I've just said, last night at about midnight, I came down here with my camera on the end of a long pole. Now there was some puffing and panting and heavy breathing because it was quite strenuous work. So I am going to delete the volume on this video. So I'd like you to put your subtitles on, because I'm going to type in a transcript to explain what we are actually looking at as we go through. But you are going to see something very special. One of the things you will see is a great crested newt actually laying eggs. Also, I have a wildlife camera on a telegraph pole just to my left. So towards the end of the video, I will show you what came to my garden last night to eat a plate of cat food, and also a visitor that arrived as the sun was rising this morning. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video. I will put some light music to it, and obviously I will type the subtitles in during the edit. And I'll see you soon for some more wildlife pond adventures